A simple job of replacing broken BNC turned into some sort of nightmare. I removed all 4 mounting screws and 4 BNC holding screws, and then I couldn't take off the metal parts. Tried to pry it open with screwdrivers, etc. But it felt so strong that I felt it some sort of glue holding them together. After contacting Wisycom Tech-Support, they said nothing else to do besides undoing 4 screws. So I decided to make or break this puzzle. By the way, it's cheaper to buy a new one than to send this one for repair to Italy. So I started to prying it really strong, and still I felt that this side didn't move a bit. Luckily, before breaking it, I tried the other side. And here I found a dirty secret. The BNC plate also holds by 2 additional screws, which are accessible from inside only. Still, the glue was very strong, but I managed to finish the job successfully.